Ever wake up and feel like life just took a fat dump on your dreams? Like, congrats, champ, you've unlocked. Rock bottom, ultra premium edition. Job gone.
You're fired! Get out of here!
Relationship, a flaming wreck. Self-esteem, somewhere between shot and non-existent. Welcome to the reboot, baby. Here's the truth. Nobody's coming. No magical guru, no morning affirmation, no millionaire podcast bro with a Rolex and mommy issues. It's just you, your mess, and the uncomfortable truth. You've got to rebuild from zero. But guess what? Zero is a fucking gift. Because you've got nothing to lose, you've finally got permission to go full savage. Let's stop pretending it didn't happen. Your life blew up. Cool. You made some dumb moves. Joined the human race. They lied to you, betrayed you, left you. Welcome to level 1. Life's a butch, and then you rebuild. You don't heal by ignoring the wreckage. You heal by walking through the fire barefoot, swearing, bleeding, and refusing to die in it. Most people, they stay stuck because they keep rereading the old script. You know the one. I'm not good enough. I'm too old. I already failed. Newsflash. That story sucks. Burn it. Rewrite it. You're the main character. You've got the pen, so stop playing the victim in a plotline you can f***ing change. This part, it's not sexy. No montage music, no fast forward button. It's just grit, boredom, and doing the damn thing over and over and over. But here's the gold. You don't need to be brilliant. You need to be relentless. Wake up, show up, fail forward, stack wins, repeat. You build a new life the same way you build a brick wall, one ugly brick at a time. If you're still breathing, you're not done. Rebuilding isn't punishment, it's a second shot. And maybe, just maybe, the life you actually want lives after the fallout. So suit up, get dirty, get honest, and start building like your soul depends on it. Because it does. You don't need permission, you need guts. Rebuild your damn life from zero, from scratch, from now.